Hello, my beautiful friends. It is Tuesday. No, sorry, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, I believe. I think it's Wednesday. I have something to show you. Of course. Something a little different from what I've been showing you. A little bit different. It is a bag. Absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, this is from Balenciaga.co. If you're ordering with them, make sure that you go to babalabag.co, not com, not com. I'll put it right here. It's very important because a lot of people are trying to mirror them, and that's not cool. Anyway, here is the bag, and it came, of course, in a beautiful box. I already did the unboxing, and because you know me, I can't wait for anything. Come in a box like this, and it comes with everything that it would come with from the original boutique. So it comes wrapped like that. I'm going to show pretty much the unboxing at the end, so please stick to the end. Stay to the end, and you'll be able to see everything. Comes with a beautiful Balenciaga ribbon. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous dust bag. Very, very true to original. What do I have? Something that smells amazing, first off. I took everything off of it because to me, those are, I don't want to see that. If you're going to add that either in the very beginning or in the very end, and I don't want to see you unwrapping your stuff. I mean, that's just me. Look. This is the Balenciaga City mini bag. I will write exactly what it is here. I put the strap on. It is gorgeous, gorgeous leather. Studs. It is gorgeous. It comes with a crossbody adjustable strap. Comes with a, of course, little care booklet. The inside is all black. The stitching is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Very, very close to the original. I mean, I don't know how much closer it could get. I want to say it's just like the original, because I have had the Balenciaga Moto bags and city bags, and this one is, the only thing it doesn't have is feet, but that doesn't, I don't even think they have feet. I think the bigger ones might. And she's got all black hardware, which I love. You know me and my black. This is like the next bag for me. I will be switching out from my Diane, which I'm gonna miss very, very much, but I love her. And it's just the most beautiful, beautiful bag. And this bag is actually trending right now, back to trending. I don't think it ever went out. Balenciaga had a little bit of a, kerfuffle with trends and the internet and all that stuff, but I've always loved their bags. This bag is incredible. I will link everything below. There is a discount code. It is LE5096. I have that memorized now because I get so many bags from this beautiful company. And I just wanted to say thank you so much, Anne at babalabag.co. Go and grab this one. Seriously, she is a looker, and I'm going to switch into her today. Stay tuned for the end where I show you all of the wrapping and whatnot that's on the bag and me opening the box to see it for the first time. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Like I said, I'll link it below. Love you guys, and hope to come back with another one soon. This is like my new thing to do. I love these bags. Take care, guys. Have a great day. I wanted to show you guys how it looks a little on the body. I think it's a perfect size. Smells amazing. Sorry I'm wearing all black, but you know me. Gorgeous. Perfect size, perfect crossbody. Everything about this bag is gorgeous. I love her. My apologies, dirty mirror. Go grab it.